Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best tech and office essentials you can buy online. Today, we're covering what we consider to be the best 962 Ink Cartridges Combo Pack available right now. The CATJOY 962XL replacement set for HP printers. If you're an HP OfficeJet Pro user and tired of high-priced OEM cartridges, this might just be your perfect match. Let's unbox this CATJOY 962XL Combo Pack and take a closer look. Inside the box, you'll find 4 individually sealed cartridges, one each of black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. The build quality feels solid, and each cartridge comes equipped with the latest version of the chip. That means the printer should recognize them immediately without any of those frustrating error messages. Now, these cartridges are designed for compatibility with a wide range of HP OfficeJet Pro models. But, and this is important, they do not work with HP Plus service-enabled printers or any of the E series models like the 9010E, 9015E, or 9025E. So double-check your printer model before you order. When it comes to yield, these cartridges are impressively efficient. The black cartridge gives you up to 1,600 pages, and each color cartridge, cyan, magenta, and yellow, can print up to 2,000 pages, assuming standard 5% coverage per page. That's plenty of output for home offices, small businesses, or anyone who does frequent color printing. We ran a series of print tests using documents and high-res images. The results? Sharp text, vibrant colors, and no smudging. From crisp black text to vivid graphics, CATJOY holds its own remarkably well against the original HP inks. Installation is straightforward. Just pop the old one out, slide the CATJOY cartridge in, and you're good to go. There's no need for extra steps or resets. Everything works right out of the box. So if you're looking for a cost-effective alternative to OEM ink without sacrificing quality or compatibility, and your printer isn't part of the HP Plus or E series, then the CATJOY 962XL Ink Cartridges Combo Pack is a solid pick. That's it for today's episode on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. For more no-nonsense reviews, drop your questions in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one.